Are you looking for make money online? So this video is for you. Idle-empire.com is 100% making money website. You just sign up and start earning and get reward. Making money from survey tasks can be a way to earn some extra income. First, you sign up here. Many companies and market research firms are willing to pay for your opinions and feedback. Here are some steps to get started. Research survey websites. Look for survey websites that have a track record of paying users a good selection of surveys. Sign up and create profiles. Register with the survey websites of your choice. Provide accurate information when creating your profile, as it helps match you with surveys that are relevant to your demographics and interests. Complete any profile surveys or questionnaires that are available, as they can increase your chances of receiving more survey invitations. Check for available surveys. Once you've signed up, log into your account regularly to check for available surveys. Survey availability can vary, so it's important to be proactive in seeking out new opportunities. Some websites may also send you email notifications when new surveys are available. Complete surveys when you find a survey that interests you. Here is the survey's many ways to make money online. Offer walls, offers and watch video to earn referrals. Earning and promotion surveys may cover a range of topics such as consumer preferences, product feedback, market trends, or opinion polls. This is the survey you will take 5 minutes to complete and get reward. Take your time to provide thoughtful and accurate responses. Earn rewards. Most survey websites offer rewards in the form of cash, gift cards, or other incentives. Here is the all surveys. Which one is you can fill and earn money. The rewards can vary depending on the length and complexity of the survey. All surveys you will complete and make big money is in few hours. Many peoples are work here in part-time and get more money just completing a simply survey. If you are a hard worker, you can earn much more money. The rewards can vary depending on the length and complexity of the survey. Earning a substantial amount of money from surveys requires patience and persistence. Surveys may not always be available, and you may not qualify for every survey you attempt. However, by consistently checking for new surveys and completing them, you can accumulate earnings over time. Explore other opportunities in addition to surveys. Some websites offer additional ways to earn money, such as by participating in focus groups. Offer wall surveys. This survey give big money, but the task is also length for the survey, which is taking time. Survey to complete. Keep an eye out for these opportunities, as they can provide additional earning potential. However, survey tasks can be a convenient and flexible way to make some extra money in your spare time. Making money from simple tasks can be a viable way to earn extra income or supplement your existing earnings. Referrals task. You will share your link to your friends and get reward from here. While the pay for these tasks is often relatively low, they can be done in your spare time and require minimal effort or specialized skills. Here's the withdrawal. You will transfer your money from these methods are available to anywhere transfer in your bank accounts. Here are some popular platforms and methods for making money from simple tasks that pay users to complete online surveys. These surveys gather market research data, and you earn a small amount of money or points for each survey completed.